Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I'm Nahaazzkhaan. It's just 3 months since I started this channel and I have been getting so much of support. I thank each and every one of you. When I started this YouTube channel, I had made my starting video on depression because that was the video that was need for the hour. I had got so much of love and blessing from that video, so I thought I'll make a simplified video on some tips and tricks that anyone can follow to just boost themselves up. So today I'll be sharing 6 mental health tips for anxiety. So let's go. Before going into the tips, I want to let everyone know, if you have not subscribed, go and press subscribe and do like and comment if you like the video. So let's go to the 6 mental health tips for anxiety. What is anxiety? Anxiety is worry, unease or nervousness about something with an uncertain outcome. So what causes this anxiety? A big event like death in family or build-up of smaller stressful life situations like losing your job, financial situations, all these build up anxiety. So let's go to the 6 mental health tips that can be followed daily to overcome this anxiety. So if you are suffering from anxiety or parents watching it, do follow these 6 tips. These are small tips that everyone can follow. So the first tip is listening to depressing music, listening to some sad music or watching some sad movies will let you bring out your emotions, and that immediately uplifts your mood. People will think I'm crazy that's saying listening to sad music, but it's true. You have to feel better. Actually, letting go of your emotions like crying will actually uplift your mood. Studies have shown people actually after a big cry feel better. So let your emotions out when you are feeling anxiety or feeling depressed. The second tip will be take a break from social media. Yes, right now the social media is filled with negativity. Negative news, deaths, suicides. So watching all these negative news will actually make your mind go even into a bad state. And the other side of social media is you see people sharing their happiness, their friends, their family, and you, while feeling anxiety and depressed, you will see that they have so much going on in their life and your life is nothing, and that will again take you into a deeper depressed and make you feeling more anxiety. So take a break from social media for at least 1 week. The third tip is gratitude journal. This can be done not just while you are depressed, but you can follow this tip regularly. Gratitude journal is keeping a diary or a book just for appreciating life and thanking this beautiful life. People will ask me, but I don't have anything to thank. You can thank God, your teachers, your parents, your life that you have. Maybe the hands and legs you have, maybe the eyesight. You can start with small things. So gratitude journal every day morning, start writing. This will immediately shift your focus from negative thinking to positive thinking. So start if you are in a bad spot right now or you are having a good time. Start a gratitude journal. That will always make you focus on the positive. Number 4th tip is focus on helping others. So right now you are always focused on your emotions, that is anxiety. So while starting to focus on others, like going out and buying strangers some meal or giving some money to a stranger or calling a friend and thanking him, immediately shifts your mindset, and that will help make you feel better. So start helping others. Number 5th tip. This is one of the most important tips that I'm going to say you. Keep busy all day. Means if you have something to do or nothing to do, plan your day, go out, go for shopping, go to some restaurant, eat some food, go to a gym, but don't sit in your room. Loneliness and silence promotes anxiety and depression. So if you are a parent or if you are suffering from anxiety, make sure you are not sitting alone. Always keep busy. Go to your kitchen, help your mother out, or go outside, do some small activity, and that will immensely change your mood and make you feel better. The sixth and final tip will be stay away from negative people and try to associate with positive people who always talk good about life, try to make you feel good. You will be having friends and family members that are always complaining, not just about life, about you, about what you do, what you're working, about what bad is going on in your life. So try to cut off those people and always associate with people who always try to uplift your mood. Like when you're having a bad day, they will be the ones that come to you and say, don't worry, all will be good, or will be saying, come on, we'll go out, we'll enjoy. So associate with positive people. So guys, try all the 6 tips. I love and care about all of you guys. And if you are someone who is depressed or having this anxiety, do remember that not just you, everybody suffers and goes through this. Don't give up on life. Life is easy. We are fighters. And all these small situations will tomorrow be gone away. So always be positive, be loving, and let's make this world a better place. And before going, if you have forgot to subscribe, do subscribe. So until next time, Nahaazz Khaan.